Motivation is the reason people act a certain way. So whenever you do something, you have a motivation. If you go and eat food, it's because you're hungry. So your hunger is your motivation. Or maybe you go to bed early. Well, your motivation is that you're very tired. Well, characters in a story are the same way. They have motivations for their actions. And many times their motivations come from past experiences that contribute to how they feel about a current situation. For example, say someone went to the ocean before and they almost drowned. Well, next time they go to the ocean, they're not going to really want to get in because they're afraid they're going to drown again. And so their motivation there is a bad past experience with the ocean. Or maybe someone baked cookies as a child, and so the smell of cookies reminds them of their childhood and how much fun of a time it was. And so their motivation for baking cookies as an adult is to experience that happiness that they had as a child. Now, a second part of a story is conflict, a problem that needs to be solved. So conflict is a problem. In fact, I'll just write that right here. Conflict equals problem. And so conflict can occur between one character and some object that can't move, or maybe two characters in a story. And so the character or characters in a story have to solve their problems in order to move on in the story. So right here this says Amy wanted to go to the park to play on the swings while Hannah wanted to play house indoors. So it sounds like Amy and Hannah are probably sisters or maybe just good friends, but they want to do two different things. Amy wants to play on the swings while Hannah wants to go inside and play indoors. So there's conflict here because they want to do two different things. So the two characters have two different ideas. Amy wants to do one activity, Hannah wants to do another. So to resolve this conflict, the girls need to agree upon where they will spend their time. And so one person may have to give in a little bit. Amy may have to give up playing on the swings just so that Hannah will be happy. Or it could work vice versa. And so the conflict in this sentence is based on a situation. And so the main points of a story, or the main point of a story, is to resolve a conflict. So when the problem is completed, we call it the resolution. When you find an answer to a problem, you call it the resolution. So that's what the characters in the story are trying to achieve. So that's a quick look at motivation and conflict in a story.
To find out more about how to ace your test and get more practice for your test, click the study guide. Learn why Mometrix is the best and smartest decision you can make for your test prep choice. We have done all the work cutting through the fluff to give you what you need to perform well in your exam. Click the study guide to get started now, and thank you for watching and learning with us.